Welcome to Buy Smart, the ultimate channel for making smart purchasing choices. Today, we're comparing two giants in the 3D printing world, the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2 and the ComGrow 2024 new version Creality K1C. Let's dive right in. First, let's address the price. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2 is priced at a budget-friendly $239, making it an accessible choice for hobbyists and beginners. On the other hand, the ComGrow Creality K1C is significantly more expensive at $599. While the higher price tag might be a consideration, it promises advanced features that justify the cost. When it comes to printing speed, the Photon Mono 2 offers reliable performance, but it's not the fastest machine on the block. In contrast, the Creality K1C boasts an incredible 600 mm per second printing speed and 20,000 mm per square second acceleration, making it one of the fastest printers available. If speed is your priority, the K1C is a clear winner. Convenience is another critical factor. Reviewers praise the Photon Mono 2 for being straightforward and easy to set up, perfect for those new to 3D printing. However, the Creality K1C takes convenience to another level with its plug-and-play setup, requiring just 3 minutes from unboxing to printing. It also features auto-leveling, making the process much more user-friendly. Print quality is where both printers shine. The Photon Mono 2 features a 6.6-inch monochrome LCD with 4K plus resolution, delivering highly detailed prints. Reviewers note its ability to produce stunning, intricate models. The Creality K1C, equipped with AI LiDAR and an observant AI camera, ensures even the smallest errors are detected and corrected. It's like having an advanced assistant overseeing your prints. Let's talk filament options. The Photon Mono 2 is excellent for standard resin prints, making it ideal for those focused on specific types of projects. Meanwhile, the Creality K1C offers a broader range of filament options, including carbon fiber and other materials. Its clog-free direct extruder and high-temperature capabilities make it versatile for various printing needs. Lastly, cooling structure is crucial for high-quality prints. The Photon Mono 2 has a decent cooling system, adequate for its needs. However, the Creality K1C features an upgraded cooling structure with multiple fans and specialized air ducts, ensuring your prints remain smooth and free from defects. Reviewers appreciate this enhanced cooling for its efficiency and reliability. Overall, reviewers find the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2 to be an excellent choice for those new to 3D printing, offering ease of use and high-quality prints. The Creality K1C, while more expensive, is praised for its speed, advanced features, and versatility, making it a top choice for more experienced users. So which 3D printer suits your needs? If you're on a budget and want reliable, detailed prints, the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2 is your go-to. But if you're ready to invest in speed and advanced features, the Creality K1C is your best bet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment on which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. See you next time!